Well, we got here just in time.
The heavens have opened.
See, like smoking off the roof.
We get rid of the blue paint.
Oh yeah.
Blue dye at least.
Oh, hello again. So we're here at Pete's Wednesday night. Just me and Pete today. John had to stay home. But yeah. Getting ready for the track on Friday. He's putting his street legal tires back on it. And yeah, we're gonna do hopefully a little alignment on the other side of his car. Wants the same wheel as John's. This guy's nasty. Thunder. So, and we got a couple more alignment jigs and tools to use this time versus last time. Hopefully make a better job of it because we got a little bit more work to do. Kind of set the camber on the car. So. All right, we'll get these wheels on, torqued up. Then get the front end ready, and I'll bring you back in a moment. Here's a before. We're working with this camber caster plate is definitely turned. We want to get it straight. And we got to see how, if we can get it out to take some of the camber out of this wheel, because when it's on the ground, this wheel has a lot of positive camber. So we'll take out as much as we can, and we'll try to make it match the passenger side. Even though it's flipped around, this plate is a lot more straight oriented than that one is. So this camber is acceptable. So we're going to try to measure this one and duplicate it over there.
Yep.
Let's get these bolts loose and see what we can do. Alright, I think I figured out the problem.
Yep.
This is when we originally put these caster camber plates on, they were used and they didn't have any instructions. But if see it's all twisted,
yep,
like that. So if I take it off, flip it, and readjust this to give it more camber, it will then fit down on here.
Yes.
And be nice and straight.
So there you go, John. Mike did put it on incorrectly.
Yeah.
Right, so.
Well,
that was a lot easier than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah. So I'll relock the caster down, and the way you look up alignment specs in like Maximum Motorsports on their website, if you look up their caster camber plates, you look at the instructions, it'll tell you some specs. Mustangs don't have a lot of caster adjustment built into them, so that what they want you to do is when you get it up, go all the way to the back stops to give it as much caster as you can, which is they recommend like 4 degrees, but some cars can't even get that much.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put these in, give as much caster as we can, and that helps it track straight down the road. The more caster you have, just snug these up. We're gonna get the wheels set up to check the alignment, and then we'll move this and adjust as necessary.
Okay. And
well, as it says, alignment turn plates. So we're gonna put these under the tire and roll the car forward onto them. So once, unlike we did with John's car, we could really use these because these help the front wheels turn and pivot, with the weight on them. So like in fancy alignment shops, they got turn plates that are like on ball bearings and stuff like that, and they're several $100s. And I was like, well, I got these off eBay for like $50.
Yes.
So this is what I use. So we're gonna wedge them under there. We got skinnies, so we don't have to work too hard at centering them up. And it should be neutral. I don't know if I can enough smash to get these up there by myself, but
yep.
All right, I'll hold it here. You go put the parking brake on, and get to the next one.
There we go. Still there.
So now, if you go in with the car, you should be able to steer it left and right with ease. All right, now, I suppose the smart thing to do would be to center your steering wheel up for straight ahead, and then we will adjust from there.
Interestingly, that's quite straight.
Well, you can tell this has got a lot of toe out now because we
Okay,
when
yeah,
you-
so just literally...
we knock out, give it a lot less camber. It's going to knock out the toe because toe is always the last thing you adjust. So how's that looking? Is it straight on the wheel there?
No, steering wheel's like that.
Well,
now.
put the wheel straight, and we have to adjust the tires to match. So this one is definitely looks like it's steering to the left right now.
Yep, and this
So
one.
this is the passenger side wheel, and it is almost dead straight up and down with 0 degrees of camber. So you can see the needle swinging just a little bit there. Yeah, that's right, dead nuts. Right on 0. Let's go to the other side. And we didn't even adjust anything. We just kind of snugged the bolts down so they won't move anywhere. Maxed out the caster. And put it up here. There it is. So we almost have a little bit of half a degree of positive camber. So I want to take it in just a little bit. Put it straight up and down. Looks like a half degree. So a little bit loose. Yep, we're on 0. Let me just give it a couple more taps just like that. And then I'm gonna button it down. Yep, that's our number. Alright, gotta lock that down. Then we'll get into setting the toe in.
Yeah, that's good there.
Alright, now go check the steering wheel. Make sure that's centered. Did I move it all?
Oh, yep, that's moved.
So this is showing that we have a lot toe in quite a bit, but it makes sense since your rear tires are so much wider. All I did was balance them. So now if we bring them in an equal amount of turns to keep them balanced, so pointing at the same, like say a ½ inch in on like the tread of the rear tire, then it should give us a lot closer because we're about
Well, that's
3/8, 7/16 out, I think. So I'll go in and give it a little bit of turns, see what we get.
Eventually.
69 and 1 tick under 3/4.
This is the same. Yep, this is exactly the same.
So let me take kiss out of that side, and then I think we're gonna call it good.
Yep, that's it there.
All right. So do you want it adjusted anymore?
No?
You happy?
Yep.
Steering wheel straight.
Yep.
All right. Lock it down. You think you may want to take it for a test spin real quick, or?
We can do, yeah. Maybe a bit damp.
Yeah, well,
We
just to make sure it's going straight.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so just locking them up, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute.
All right, take this thing for a test spin.
Slightly that way now,
Yeah.
but it was like that.
Yeah. Is it pulling at all?
No?
The road is cambered a little bit.
Yeah.
but we can adjust it if you want to.
Voila.
Alright, you gonna live with that?
Gonna live with it.
Alright.
It's there as we're driving down the road.
It was like the other way. Like that, yeah. So
yeah, it was odd at the track racing it like that.
yeah.
So that'll be fine.
Well, the track will be different because it'll be perfectly flat.
Yeah.
Not like the roads here, because the roads are crowned, and you're driving a left side drive car on a right side drive world.
World.
So who knows, if you drove it on the right side of the road, it may be perfect. So
we are on the correct side of the road, Michael.
So all right.
Yeah.
So we're pretty much
good.
Yeah, you're ready for the track, I guess.
Yep, ready for Friday.
So we're hoping John feels up to it. He's a little under the weather right now, but I think he'll go whether he got to cut his leg off or not.
Yeah.
But,
I don't think he's going to miss it.
yeah, maybe about, I don't know, $100 worth of, maybe a little more than $100 worth of alignment tools. That was probably $100 a couple years ago when I bought all that stuff, but yeah, it can work out pretty well. Because over here, who knows how to do alignment on one of these things? Or who wants to tackle it, and who knows if they can do anything other than just set the toe, because that's all the shops here know how to do, it seems. Even years ago, that's all it was. They could set toe, and that's all they'll do.
Street rubber, Mike. Street. It's going to be racing in street trim on Friday.
Yeah. Well, you can take the slicks. Take mine. If you want to, you could be trailering it.
Well, I could, yeah, but not with those on the front, because of course that's because it was...
Oh yeah, you don't want to put radials and bias plies together.
No, need some skinnies, that's what I need. We could have nicked John's and drill some holes in them. Because he's only got 4 lug.
So, all right, everyone. Thanks for staying to the end. Just another little bit more in-depth alignment video. Well, actually, with a road test. But yeah, wish us luck for Friday, and hopefully we'll get some great footage, and I'll smash the video together as quick as I can once I get all 3 of our camera footage, and hopefully we'll see you again real soon. Take care.